Welcome to another Weekly 3 with Tony T. I'm Tony Trongone, Superintendent of Millville Public Schools. In this video, we will cover 3 topics. Our first topic will be our recent New Jersey Department of Education and State Police assessment. Number 2 will be student awards and honors. And 3 will be our high school graduation and end-of-year ceremonies. My first topic is our recent safety assessment by the New Jersey Department of Education's Office of School Preparedness and Emergency Planning and the New Jersey State Police Bomb Unit, which I requested over 2 months ago. On Wednesday, June 8th, the senior high campus of Millville High School and Lakeside Middle School each took part in a security drill to assess their response to a school threat scenario. Representatives from the Office of School Preparedness, along with the State Police Bomb Unit, observed our procedures during this scenario and provided valuable feedback to district administration and the Millville Police Department on how we assess and respond to building emergencies. We were also provided feedback on our facilities and their preparedness for such emergencies. I want to thank Dr. Thomas Gambino with the New Jersey Department of Education and the Sergeant John Beck, Adam Cavanaugh, and Steve Cristinzio with the State Police for taking the time to visit our district and offer their expert advice, along with our Millville Police Department. Thank you. I would like to give an update on our ongoing security plan. As you are aware, we now have 3 schools with functional security vestibules, and soon we'll begin work to construct new vestibules in other schools. All school buildings now have exterior cameras, which did not exist prior to this school year, and will begin this summer on installing interior cameras this summer at Bacon, Holly Heights, Mount Pleasant, and Rick Avenue elementary schools. One of the most positive pieces of feedback we received from the State Police during our assessment was our security personnel. I want to thank them for their hard work during what has been a challenging school year. It bears repeating that we are doing everything in our power to keep our children and staff safe at school, and that includes shining a light on areas we can improve. I will continue to share updates with our families, staff, and community on our progress. My second topic is student awards and honors. At this time every school year, we host a number of ceremonies at the high school level to honor our students in various fields, including our academic varsity letter ceremony, congressional award ceremony, and our honors ceremony. I am thrilled to report that on May 31st, 6 of our Millville High School students were honored at the congressional award ceremony. 3 students earned a gold medal, 2 students earned a silver medal, and 1 student earned a bronze medal. All of these students dedicated their time to achieving goals in 4 areas: voluntary public service, personal development, physical fitness, and outdoor expeditions or cultural explorations. They have put in a tremendous amount of effort to achieve this award. Congratulations. On June 1st, Millville High School awarded 371 students an academic varsity letter. These students spanned all 4 grade levels at our high school and fulfilled the criteria of achieving honor roll for marking periods 1 through 3 or maintaining a 3.4 grade point average this school year. It goes without saying that these students have made their academic progress a priority, and they are to be commended for it. You can scan the QR code or type in the link on your screen to view the full list of honorees. Finally, on Thursday evening, Millville High School held its annual Senior Honors Assembly, at which our graduating seniors were the recipients of over 100 awards and scholarships, including recognition of our 2022 valedictorian Jacob Lewis and our salutatorian Anthony Kukul. Congratulations to all the seniors honored last night. We know you will forge ahead to accomplish great things. My final topic is graduation and end-of-year ceremonies. I just spoke about some of our end-of-year award ceremonies, all of which culminate with the final award of a high school diploma at our Millville High School graduation ceremony. This year's ceremony will be held on Tuesday, June 21st, and will take place on Wheaton Field at 4 p.m. As always, this is a ticketed event, but we will be streaming the ceremony in its entirety on our Millville High School Facebook page, the Quinn Broadcasting YouTube channel, and on Cable Channel 22. We will share access information on our social media leading up to the stream. Following the ceremony, we will invite our graduating seniors to take their final lap at the Millville Motorsports Park racetrack and receive their official diploma and parting gift at the finish line. This event will start at approximately 6 p.m. and will also be streamed online and on Channel 22 for the public to enjoy. I encourage everyone to tune in to this very special event that happens only for the graduates of Millville High School. One event that the public is invited to attend is the baccalaureate service for our seniors. The service will take place this Sunday, June 12th, at the First United Methodist Church on 2nd and Pine Streets. This is a solemn and reflective event for our graduating students and their families, and it will be wonderful for our community to attend and quietly support them on their journey to adulthood. I would like to close this topic by highlighting the other graduations happening in our district in the upcoming weeks. Many of our younger students are moving up to new grade levels and new buildings, and some of them making the leap from pre-K to elementary school or preparing to become middle school students next year. Our rising 8th graders will be the first freshman class to be housed on the senior high campus with their upperclassmen. So I'd like to invite our community to also take a moment to congratulate these students on their successes this school year and wish them luck as they take their step up to a new experience for the 22-23 school year. We'll have a new class of rising kindergartners becoming Bacon Bears, Holly Heights Hawks, Mount Pleasant Panthers, Rick Avenue Jets, and Silver Run Sharks. 5th graders across the district will be advancing to become Junior Bolts at Lakeside, and our 8th graders will rise in the ranks to become full-fledged Thunderbolts. This is a time of endings and beginnings, and we say goodbye to staff members retiring after the many years of service, or farewell to those leaving to pursue other paths in their lives. We once again thank our teachers for the work they've done to ensure students reach their next step, whether it's a new grade, a new school, or a new start as a young adult. And we hope our students and families are ready for a restful summer break. I have a few upcoming events to share. First would be Sunday, June 12th. It'll be the Senior Baccalaureate service at the First United Methodist Church at 6 p.m. On Monday, June 13th, we will have our Board of Education meeting and we'll be honoring our 2022 retirees. It'll be held at the Culver Center. It'll begin at 7 p.m. And on Friday, June 17th, all schools and offices will be closed for a new state holiday, Juneteenth. And Tuesday, June 21st, will be the last day of school, which will be an early dismissal day. And the Millville High School graduation ceremony will also take place that day at Wheaton Field at 4 p.m. with the ceremony at Millville Motorsports Park immediately following. And now for this week's shout-outs. My first shout-out goes to Lakeside Middle School student Mia Angelo. Mia showed great determination and dedication to service by pursuing a meeting with her building principal, Dr. Cook, to share her ideas about gathering donations for Project Hope in Millville. Thanks to Mia, Dr. Cook reached out to his teachers and inspired Mr. Parvin to connect with Cradles to Crayons, a nonprofit in Philadelphia, and secured donations of diapers, outfit packs, and hygiene packs. A great job by one of our junior bolts to inspire our staff and students to act. And my second shout out goes to our class of 2022 academic top 10. On Thursday, these students were honored at the Kiwanis Luncheon for their academic accomplishments, which began 4 years ago when they first entered Millville High School as a freshman. You can see the names of our top 10 students on your screen. I offer them my sincerest congratulations and look forward to seeing them take part in their graduation ceremony and the final lap on June 21st. Thank you, and as always, go Bolts.